Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, we are diving deep into one of the most important topic in JavaScript, that is prototype, inheritance and proto-chain. By the end of this video, you'll understand how JavaScript actually links objects and how classes really work under the hood. Before we talk about prototypes, let's understand why do we even need the inheritance. Imagine you are building a game and you have a player object with name, score and method called play. Now you want to create another object. Admin, that can do everything a player can, but also has ban player features. This admin also have a ban player features, so which doesn't have access to the player. We can simply copy and we can paste. If you want to reuse the same thing, we can do like this, but that will be code duplication. So we need a way for one object to reuse another object functionality, that called inheritance. Now here JavaScript is unique. It doesn't use classical inheritance like Java or C++. It uses something called prototypal inheritance, meaning every object in JavaScript have a hidden property called proto. So if you try to run this one, user.proto, you will see an object. That's because user object inherits from object.prototype, which contain common method like toString, has own property. If you check here, toString is there, has own property is also there. If you call here user.toString, what it will happen, JavaScript doesn't find it inside user because it is not there. So it will look inside its prototype, and that's how the chain is working. Now let's see this in action with a function constructor. Here we have a person function and we just create this person.prototype as another new function, and we created this new. So, and here's the magic. When we create new person, three things happen behind the scene. A new empty object is created, and that's proto is linked to under person.prototype. Person function run and this points to the new object. So if you run this one, you can see hi, I am a build event dev. It is working fine. Now if you run this one, p1.proto equal to person.prototype, it will be returning true. That's a prototype chain, one of the most important things in interview. Now we'll understand inheritance in practical. So already we have a person, that will be fine. Now we will create another function called admin, and that admin will take a parameter in name and role. Here we will call person.call and we will pass these and name, and these dot role equal to whatever role user will pass. That's it. Here now we will create admin.prototype equal to object.create, and we will pass the person.prototype. Now what we will do, admin.prototype.constructor equal to admin. So already in the beginning we have discussed, so admin will have a special function called delete user. If they want, so they should able to delete the user. So let's create that also, delete user, and there will be one function console.log this dot name deleted user, whatever the name will be. Now we will call with const admin equal to new admin, and we'll pass the name maybe John, or we will give this one as a super admin. So now so we have called here, what we have done, we have called here person.call and this dot name to copy name into admin instances. Then we link admin prototype to person prototype using object.create. Finally fix the constructor references. This way we have passed here admin can access say hi and delete user both. So if you try to access this one, admin dot say hi, first we'll see whether we can access this one from here or not. Yeah, we can access, and let's see we can able to delete or not. Admin dot delete user. If we try to access this one, let's run. John deleted a user. So you can see who have deleted everything, and that's real JavaScript instances, not copying but linking. This is how we can optimize. Now we have done with prototype and inheritance using function. Now what we will do using class, there will be so many interviewers there, those who want only using classes. So now we'll understand now how ES6 classes syntax will work in prototype inheritance. It's just a syntactic sugar over the prototype system. Let's rewrite the same example with classes. Let me comment this one and rewrite the same thing using classes. What we will do, first we will create a class person, and constructor will take the name, and these dot name equal to name this dot name equal to name, and here we will have a function called say hi console dot log hi person object. Now we can call or whatever we used to do, but first we will create the admin also. Admin equal to admin will extend from person. Admin will extend from person, and there will be one constructor, and here we will have a constructor called name and called role, and super will pass the name, and this dot role equal to role. This is how it will work. And here we will use delete user console dot log this dot name deleted a user. Behind the scene, JavaScript still set up the same prototype chain, so don't get confused class and extend. It's just it make it cleaner. So this extend will work same as how here we have like using object.prototype and we just pass to link this one. It will work same, so don't confuse. Now we will call this one. Let's copy the same thing here, and we have created one admin, and in admin we pass the join and super admin. If you run this one, it's works same. So that's everything you need to know about prototype, inheritance, and the proto chain in JavaScript. We started with the problem, understand how prototype work, link them, and build our own instance system, both ES6 and ES5. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to us. We'll see you in the next episode.